Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Delicious Eats. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to order some food for delivery, please.
Sure thing. What would you like to order?
I'm not sure yet. Can you tell me what's on the menu?
Absolutely. We have pizza, burgers, and pasta. Those are our best sellers.
That sounds good. I think I'll go with a large pepperoni pizza.
Great choice. Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes. I'd like 2 sodas, please.
Sounds good. So that's 1 large pepperoni pizza and 2 sodas. May I have your address for delivery?
Yes, it's 123 Maple Street. Could you deliver it in about 30 minutes?
No problem. We aim to please. So I'll make sure it gets there on time.
Awesome. How much will it be?
It will be 20. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card, please.
Perfect. I'll take your card details when we deliver. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Follow for more.